Curborough. They also do cycle racing, and the local club rent out the track so youth can ride their bikes around this track as fast as they can. And today that would be a really stupid thing to do because it's cold, it's wet, and it's bloody windy. Welcome to Curborough for the second round of the MG Car Club Speed Championship. First this year. What a day to do it. Track coming up from the start today, swinging left, then an easy right down here up to the molehill. Swinging it right in second gear, keeping out to the left. And then finally the hairpin at the top, taking it round as smoothly as possible. And on to the final straight here. All the way down to that checkered flag at the end. The forecast today then very mixed, not really the 2 days of sun that I usually enjoy at Curborough. As you can probably see from the clouds behind me, it's looking rather wet. It's already trying to spot today, so the challenge today is going to be keeping it on the tarmac. So it's back into the old routine, scrutineering, get the car checked out, make sure it's nothing loose, it's meeting the regulations. So scrutineering, get changed, and then practice laps, ready to go at 9 o'clock. Standard work, of course, being practice laps, and then bacon sandwich. So first and second practice done, down at 44.5 seconds, chasing just under 40, so 4 seconds to find, but it's so slippy this morning. Really struggling to get off the start line. So I think if I can get to 42 today, that'll be a fairly reasonable target to go for. Just hope it dries up a little bit and I might have a chance at doing that. So that was the practice, on with the time lapse.
MG Car Club Northern Champion, trying to beat 39 seconds.
So after a 44 in practice, the track dried out somewhat, so 40.55 for the first lap, and then a slight improvement as we stayed with a dry track to 40.2. So chasing a 39.8, so still 0.4, 0.5 of a second adrift of the target time. One more lap to go. Final lap, 40.11. Really pleased with that. Fastest time of the day on the last lap. Outstanding result, only 0.3 from the target time. Next race then is Gurston Down, I believe, so look forward to seeing you then. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all your comments, and see you on the next video.